great soundtrack. This is Lombard Street, which our genius GPS system decided was the best way to drive to our hotel.
Our GPS system wanted to do a little tour of San Francisco.
Anyways, obviously its genius owners weren't smart enough to figure out what it was doing either, so here we are on Lombard.
Well, first it took us around the really scenic way from the museum.
Yeah, that part was good. This part.
Not so much. Imagine living in one of these houses.
I don't think I'd enjoy that.
It's not as cool as when they have the big wheels race.